Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this large, I think it was 48 by 36 inch acoustic panel set with 8 panels that actually you can do it horizontal or you can do it vertical. There's a lot of echo still in my room. I just moved to this house and I don't have too much furniture, so I'm looking for something for soundproof absorption, sound absorption, because when I'm using my microphone or my camera or my microphone right here, I don't want that echo. The good thing about this one, again, is you can use them horizontal or vertical. I'm actually going to put them right there because that's going to be one of the places that the sound is kind of like bouncing. And the other ones that I actually got, I'm going to put them back here. So the other good thing about this one is that it comes with numbers. So you can actually see which one is the first one and put them both in kind of like horizontal or vertical position. They're really thick, I have to say. They're really thick. So I'm guessing that these ones are going to be good. And of course, for doing the installation, it comes with all these adhesive pads, so you're gonna put them in the corner and just put them all together. So let's actually do that right now. I'm gonna start like peeling these ones and put them in the bag and install it here so you can see how it looks. So I'm gonna start with this one, nice and easy. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put one in each corner and one in the middle because there's plenty of this one, so I can actually use them as much as I want and I can make some mistakes as well. But I guess that with this five right here on the corners and one in the middle, it should be enough. Then before you're ready, you kind of like peel these ones and you should be all set. Well, this one is a little bit more difficult than I thought, but once you kind of like get this one done, well, you need to have nails as well. But then we are all set. Transparent, so you can even see the numbers as well. Well, this looks awesome. You have different pieces of art. Actually, let me show you because I forgot about this. But you have different pieces of art, so you can actually select from many of the samples that they have. I do like this one. I do like this one because I do kind of like think that it's gonna be really good with my setup. But you can mix and match. And of course, I still have echo here because I need more furniture. I need more panels right here on my bag. But I think I can already, I don't know, maybe this is just like a placebo thing, but I think I can already hear. So I think it's better. I think it's already better. So I'm gonna close the door and just kind of like do some more tests. But so far so good. This looks fantastic. By the way, it looks fantastic. Just make sure that you align them properly and you use the numbers and do some tests before and how it goes and how to match all the corners and everything. So far so good, looks really good. I like it, so I may get another set.